Hello, my dear students. Welcome to online maths class. How are you all? Yes, I am fine. I hope you are all safe and healthy. Okay, my dear students. What did we learn in last class? Students, what did we learn in last class? Yes, very good. Addition word problems and subtraction word problem. Okay, students. Today we are going to the topic is estimation. Okay, students, today we are going to the topic is estimation. Okay, so see some example. So I have one beaker. Okay, this is the beaker. Okay, so between some chalks. Okay, so students, how many chalks are there in the beaker? Okay, so Ravi say 8. Okay, so Rani told 6. Okay, so now I am counting these chalks. Okay, okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Very good. So Ravi is the correct answer. So now we go to estimate values. Okay, students. So the value is greater than 5. Okay. So greater than 5 or less than 5. First you identify greater than 5 or less than 5. Greater than 5 or less than 5. Okay, students. So this number is greater than 5 or less than 5. Very good. So it's a greater than 5. Okay. So 6 is a greater than 5. Okay. So sorry, 8 is a greater than 5. So you write in a round of the value is 10. Okay, students. So if in case less than 5, for example 3. Okay. So for example 13. Okay. This round of the value is also same. Okay, students. So see some examples. Okay. So estimating approximate. Okay. Estimating means approximate. Okay, students. See the slide. So estimation. The fine art of guessing. Okay. The fine art of guessing. Okay. So, estimating to form an approximate judgment or opinion regarding the worth, amount, size, weight, etc. of calculate approximately, okay, to estimate the cost of a college education to form an opinion of judge. First, estimating to form an approximate judgment or opinion. Okay, this is your approximate value. Okay, students. Okay, see the next slide. Okay, so this one is the words of other words of addition. Okay, so first one is altogether, sum, add, both, total, increase, in all, combine, plus and join. Okay, so altogether, sum, add, both, total, increase, combine, okay, combine in all and plus and join. Okay, so this is the other words to addition. Okay, students, see the board all of you. Okay, some examples of round value, round up the value. Okay, first number 16. Okay, so see this number. Okay, first you see the second place. This one's the ones and tens. You see the ones place value. So it's the greater than 5. Okay, 6 and 5. First compare with 5. Okay, this is a greater than 5 or less than 5. Very good. greater than 5. Okay, students? Okay, am I right? So, the round of the value is, so here 20. Okay, round of 20. Okay, am I right? Okay, second number 32. Okay, first you see the second place 2. Okay, you compare 5. You compare 5, 2. Okay, so 2 is greater than 5 or less than 5? Very good. Less. Okay, students. So, the round of the value is 30. Okay, so in between the values 10 or 20, so 20 is the correct answer, round of the values. Okay, so 30, so 30 and 40, we take a 30 and 40 in between the values. Okay, so 2 is the less than 5, so round of the value is 30. Okay, ma? You understand? Okay, students. So see some next examples. Okay, students, see the board. So, what is the number? 48. Am I right? So, this number is 48. See the first number 8. Okay, first this number 40 and 50 in between the number. Okay, so which one is the correct round of the value? First, you identify. So, compare 5. Okay, so 8 and 5. You compare these two numbers. So, it's a greater than 5. Greater 5 or less 5? Very good. Greater number. Okay, so this is the round up value. This one is round up value 48. So round up value 50. Okay, ma? So this is the correct answer. Okay, okay, students. Okay, so next sum. So next sum 321. Okay, so this is a 3-digit number. Okay, so ones, tens and 100. Okay, ma? So see the second place. Okay, so in between the number 300 or 400. Okay, ma? So it's the round of 100. Okay, 300 or 400. Okay, so 2 and compare 5. The less than 5. So greater values of 5. So it's a correct answer 300. Okay, students, do you understand? First, you read the sum. Okay, so the greater 5. You see the second place and this number greater 5 or less 5. Identify the number and then procedure of using estimating approximate values. Okay, students. So see the next number. So see the slide, ma. So, round off a number to the nearest 10. Okay. So, see some examples, two examples. So, first number 123. Okay. So, round off the number to nearest 10. So, find the tens place. So, which number is tens place? Students, which number is tens place value? Which number? 2. Very good. 2. Okay. So, next and look at the ones place and look at the ones place. So, this number is 3. Okay, ma? So, next is the ones place less than 5. So, less than 5 or greater than 5? So, less than 5 or greater than 5, ma? So, 3, compare 3 and 5 is less than 5. Okay. So, if yes, tens place stays at the same, ones place becomes 0. Okay. So, one place becomes 0. So, add 1 to the tens place and ones place becomes 0. Okay, ma? So, now we get 120. Okay, students, see the ones place. Okay, ones place 3. Okay, ma. So, is the greater than 5 or less than 5? Okay, is the less than 5. So, in between the values 120 or 110. Okay, so nearest round of 10. Okay, not the 100. So, nearest rounding of a number to the nearest 10. So, is the correct answer 120. Okay, ma? Do you understand? Okay. So, next number. Okay. What is the next number? See right side. Second number. Very good. 157. Okay. See the slide, ma? Okay. Find the tens place first. Find the tens place. What is the tens place value? 5. Very good. 5. Okay. So, is the ones place is less than? Ones place is less than? No, is a greater than. So, you add to 1. So, tens place stays as the same. Ones place becomes 0. Okay. So, this value is the second place between the numbers 150 or 160. Okay, ma? So, nearest 10. Okay, rounding of a number to the nearest 10. Okay, so you compare the one place number. So, 7, 5, compare 7. Okay, is the less than 7. Okay, 7 is a greater number. So, round up the values 160. Okay, do you understand, ma? Do you understand, students? First you compare 5. It's a greater number or smaller number. Okay, so see the board mark. Okay, so this number 100 here, 157. See the ones place. First you see the tens place is a 5. So you go to tens place. Ones place is a 7. So you compare 5. So 5 and 7. So 7 is a greater value. So round of the value is 160. Okay, do you understand this sum? Okay, students, see the next slide. So, round and add. Okay, first you round up the value, then you add. Okay, ma? Okay, see the board. Okay, what is the number? Students, you read this number. So, 21 and 45. So, question is 21 plus 45. First, you round up the values, then we add. Okay, ma? Okay, see the board. Okay, students. First, you see the 21. You see that one's place value, second place value. So, 1 is a 1 compare 5. Okay, ma? The 5 is a greater value. So, it's also, so 45. Okay, see the 5. Okay, so 5 greater than, so equal 5. Okay, ma? Okay, so 20 is the round of the nearest 10 value is 20. 21 is the round of the nearest 10 value is 20. It's also 45 is the nearest value is in case 40 or 50. Okay, right everyone? So 40. Okay, so now we round up the values, then we add. Okay, 20 plus 40. Okay, ma? So you see that notebook place. So 20 plus 40. Okay, ma? So 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 4, 6. Now we get the answer 60. Okay, students? Okay, the question is 21 plus 45. Okay, first number. So first one place one is 1. You compare 5. Okay, so 1 is less than 5. So it's the round up the value is 20. Okay, see the second number. So 45. Here 5 is equal to 5. Okay, ma? So it's the round up the value is 40. Now we go to add 20 plus 40. 20 plus 40 60. Okay, students, do you understand this sum? Okay. Can I move to next slide? So, students, you have a book, I think. Okay, take a page number 57. Students, please take the page number 57. See the first sum. See the first sum. Okay. Take the page number 57. Okay. See the board. So, first sum 21 plus 49. 21 plus 49. First, what is the first step? Very good. Round up the value. So 21 and 49. So you compare first number. So 1 and 5. Okay. So less than 5. Okay. So it's also 9. Compare 5. It's a greater value. Okay. So 21 is the round up the value is 20 plus 49. So 9 is the greater value. So the round up the value is 50. Okay. So next step, now we go to add. Okay. So 20 plus 50. So 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 5, 2 in the mind. Take a 5 fingers. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we get the answer 7 and 20 plus 50, 70. So round up the nearest value is 70. Okay. The question is 21 plus 49. Okay. So compare the first number is 1. So less than 5. So the round up the value is 20. Okay. So second number 49. So first value 9. So compare 5. So greater value. So the round up the value is 50. Okay, ma? So next step 20 plus 50. So now we go to add 20 plus 50, 70. Okay, you understand? Okay, see the next sum. B sum. So B sum 103 plus 298. 298. Okay. Okay. This is a 3-digit number. So you compare tens place. So 0 and 9. Okay. So less than 5 or greater than 5. So 0. So first number 103 plus second number 298. Okay. See the second number is 0 and 5 compare the 5. So 5 is a greater value. So also so 9 and compare 5. Okay ma. So 9 is a greater value. Am I right? Okay. So 103. So round up nearest 10. Okay. 103. So nearest 10 is so 0, so 100. Okay, students. So plus 298. 9 is a greater value. Okay, 5 and 298. So nearest value is 300. Sorry, 200. So it's also right 300. Okay. Okay, students. Okay, what is the next step? Very good. Adding. So 100 plus 300. Okay. So 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0 is also 0. So 1 plus 3. So 1 in the mind. Take a 3 fingers. 1 after. 2, 3 and 4. So now we get the answer 400. What is the value? 400. Okay, students. So, you understand? First, you see the sum 103 plus 298. Compare this number. Second place 0 and 9. So, compare 5. So, less than 5. Okay. So, greater than 5. So, 9. Okay. The round of the values 100 and 200. Okay, students, see the board. So 103 plus 298. Okay, see the second place value 0 and 9. So you compare 5. So 0 is less than 5. Okay, so the round of the value is 100. And second number 9. So it's the round of the value is 300. Now we go to add 100 plus 300. What is the value? Very good. 400. Super students. Okay, we go to next sum. Okay, students, I think you are a very good student. Okay, now I introduce one very good class. Okay, very good. Very good students. Very good. Okay, super. Okay, next sum. Students, you take the page number 57. Take a page number 57. So see the C sum. So what is the number? 263. 263 plus 124. 124. Okay. So what is the first step? Very good. So see the second place. So 6. You compare 5. So 6 is the greater number of 5. Okay. So this is the number is 2. So 2 compare 5. Okay, ma? So 2 compare 5. So it's the less number. So 5 is the greater number. Okay. So 263. So round up the value. Which number is the correct value? Very good. 263. So 263. See the first place 63. So round up the value. Okay. So see the second number. Okay, students. So 263. First you compare first place. 3 compare 5 and 4 compare 5. So also less than 5. Okay. So less than 5. Okay. So 3 and 4. So if in case is a greater than 5, you go to next number, 10 place value. Okay. So 263. So the round of the value is 260. Am I right? Okay, students. So next number 124. Okay, 124. So it's the round of the value 120. Why? So it's the nearest 10. Okay. So 260. So nearest 100 means if in case nearest 100. Okay. So nearest 100 means you see the second number 6 and 2. Okay. If in case 100 nearest round of the value 100. So 6 compare and 2, 5 compare 6. Okay, 6 and 5 is a greater number, so round of the value is 300. Okay, so this number also 124 is a 2. So now round of nearest 100 means 100. So this is the nearest 10. Okay, so 260. Okay, ma? So 124. So 124 also 120. Now we go to add. Okay, ma? So 120. So 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 2. Okay. So raise the 6 fingers. Very good. Students, 6 in the mind. Raise it 2 fingers. After 6, 7 and 8. So 6 plus 2, 8. So 2 plus 1. You know 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. So some examples of charts. Okay, I have 2 charts. Okay, 1, 2. 2 plus 1. What is the value? 3. Very good. 1, 2 and 3. Super. Very good, students. Very good. My dear students, super. Okay. So 2 plus 1, 3. So 380. Okay. Once again repeat. 263 plus 124 is the round of nearest 10. Okay, you compare the ones place. If in case nearest to 100 means you compare 100 place or ones place also. So greater number. Okay, so compare 5. Okay, so smaller 5. So 260. So 124 is the round of the value 120. Okay, ma. So now we go to add 260 plus 120. The answer is now we get the answer is 380. Okay, students. So see the next question. So what is the question? Anyone read the question, ma? Okay, see the next question. What is the question? 200 and B question. 281 plus 135. 135. So which number you compare first? Okay, students, see the board. The first number 281. It's a three-digit number. So 1, tens, 100. Okay, ma. So second number 135. So now round up the nearest 10. Okay, see the first number, ones place number. So 1 and 5. So compare 5. So 1 and 5. So 1 is less than 5. Okay, am I right? Okay, so 5 is equal to 5. Okay, so nearest to 10, 281. Which number is correct value? 280 or 290? Very good, 280. Okay, so it's 135. So 135, so nearest number plus 130. It is 140 also correct. Okay, so 280 plus 130. So use in a rougher place. So 280 plus 130. 130. So add these two numbers. So 0 plus 0 0. Okay. So 18 the mind. Okay. Raise three fingers. After 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. So 11. So write in the 1. So adding next place. So 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Okay. So 1 plus 2, 3. Okay. 3 plus 1, 4. Okay. So now 410. Okay, ma? Do you understand this sum? Okay. Students, please see the board. 281 plus 135. So, it's the nearest round of the value. Then we add. Okay. So, you compare ones place number. So, 1 and 5. So, it's the less than 5. So, round of the value is 280. So, 135 is also is equal to 5. So, round of the value is 130. Okay. So, next step. So 280 plus 130. Now we go to add. So now we get the answer is 410. Okay. Do you understand, ma? Okay. Take the page number 57. E, F, G, H. Okay, students. Today's homework. These four sums. Okay. Page number 57. Estimation sum. Okay, these four sums today homework. Okay, do in a workbook. Okay, thank you, ma. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.